Hi guys, Chris here again. So what are we learning today? So we have trig. So somebody sent me a message in the chat to try to prove this or explain how to prove this without using the unit circle. And that made me remember I used to do this in high school. And in our time, we had to memorize all of this. Yes, we had to memorize. Now you're given the formula, so you just apply them. So let's see how we can do them. And you don't really need to know it, but it makes you see the beauty of math, okay? All right, so we're going to start with Pythagoras theorem, okay? So you can put the angle anywhere, it doesn't matter. So this is Pythagoras theorem. So I will call this equation, equation star, just for reference. So this is Pythagoras. Then I will use SOHCAHTOA. So tan, let me do tan theta. I want to find all the trig functions. So tan theta is opposite over adjacent, toa, so A. Then cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse, C. Then sin theta is opposite over hypotenuse. So this is C. Okay? So we're just doing SOHCAHTOA. For now you can understand what's going on, right? So Pythagoras theorem, SOHCAHTOA, right? Okay. Now the next thing is I will make A the subject. So I'll just cross multiply. So A is C cos theta. Then from here, similarly, C is B sine theta. So let me call this 1. Let me call this 2. So I will put 1, I will substitute 1 and 2 in star. I want to substitute this in star. So the Pythagoras is C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So what do I do? So I will take this, I put it here. So this one is same. You can see this is C cos theta squared plus then B, where's B? Sorry. This is supposed to be B is equals to, yeah, I believe you must have caught that, right? So B is equal to C sine theta. So this goes here, you have that. So this goes here. So this is C sine theta squared. Okay? Are you seeing what's happening? So this is C squared is equals to C squared cos squared theta plus C squared sine squared theta. So C squared is equals to C squared is common, then cos squared theta plus sine squared theta. So this can cancel this, so 1 is equals to cos squared theta plus sine squared theta. So this is this. So that is how it was gotten. So it was not just by fluke or they want you to memorize. So this tells you how, so this is how we get this. Now you can test something. What about if I do, so this is done. I know tan theta is B over A and B is C sine theta over C cos theta. This cancel this. So tan theta is sine theta over cos theta. So this is my second equation. Beauty, right? So it was not just gotten, or it was not just for you to memorize. So this is an extension of Pythagoras theorem. You're just adding trig functions to it. All right, so now this is done. This is done. How do you think we're going to get this? So from the original equation, which is this, so sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equals to 1. And what is cot? What is cosec? Cot, sec, cosec. One of my seniors taught me this, okay? One of my seniors taught me this. And you should also remember, don't waste your time to know what these are, okay? Just use the third letter. So third letter, third letter, third letter. So cot is 1 over tan theta. Sec is 1 over cos theta. Cosec is 1 over sine theta. So easy. Just use the third letter. All right, so from here, we want to get this. So you look at 1. What will I do to this equation to get 1? So I'll divide everything by, this is theta here, by sine squared theta, sine squared theta, sine squared theta. Making sense? I believe it should make sense. All right, I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm just dividing, right? Both sides. So this over this will be 1. Cos over sine is the opposite of sine over cos, or is the inverse, not opposite. Let's use the right mathematical term. So it's the inverse. So if I swap this around, if I flip them, so it becomes cos, and 1 over tan is cot. So this becomes cot squared theta. Then 1 over sine is cosec. So everything is squared. So this is how this equation came. So this is done. Now the last one you should know, right? So I want you to try that. So the last one, divide everything by sine. So divide everything by sine here. So now I have sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equals to 1. So I divide everything by sine theta. So cos squared theta, cos squared theta, cos squared theta. So what do we have? Sine over cos is tan squared theta. Cos over cos is 1. 1 over cos is sec squared theta. Boom. So all equations have been proved. So for those of you that want to do some higher level math, these proofs are, needed, okay? So don't just memorize. Ask your teachers how and why, and they will tell you, okay? It's just that some of us are not curious to know. We don't want to know. We just want to face the theory. All right, so if you asked for this video, make sure you share and like, and take care of yourself. Bye.